This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on your Google account. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth payout request. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Access your Google account by visiting the Google homepage and clicking on the Sign In button. Enter your email and password to log in. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to the Payments and Subscriptions section found in the Account Settings. This is where you can manage your payment methods and payout requests. Step 3. Select Payouts. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, look for the Payouts option. Click on it to view your payout history and request options. Step 4. Request a payout. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm your requests. After entering the necessary information, review your payout request for accuracy. Confirm the request by clicking on the appropriate button, and you should receive a confirmation message. Once you have completed these steps, your payout request will be processed. Make sure to check your email for updates regarding the status of your payout.